Hello, my name is Chenggang Cao. I'm gonna persuade the US government should stop cloning. These are my audience. Today's scientific world has never seen such controversy around animal cloning. Because of genetic and moral problems with cloning, many people question that whether or not they are trying to play the role of God. Some religions and humanitarian agencies argue that animal cloning to be inhuman and dangerous and expensive process. From a humanitarian perspective, cloning wreaks havoc on genetic variability with the money on untested theories and is responsible for killing dozens of animals. Cloning may reduce genetic variability. Cloning is intended to replicate a creature from itself. In some people's opinions, cloning is beneficial for humans. However, scientists who produce multiple clones result in the risk of a population that is entirely identical, which could cause an imbalance in current biological chain. John Harris, author of Clone Process, states the UNESCO approach to human cloning will reduce genetic variability with catastrophic results. If one tested subject in a clone population is infected by a disease, the others could be infected as well because they are identical cell tissue. People can easily control the disease in a small population of clones. However, a harmful situation could occur if the disease spread into a large population of clones. Because clone may reduce variability, that can cause catastrophic results for humans. Scientists should stop cloning. Cloning is a very expensive process currently. Many people know Dolly the sheep is a successful animal clone, but people don't know how much money scientists spend on such biological tests. Sarah Pizzano, author of Uncool, couple spent $155,000 to clone that dog, states that this Florida couples decided to clone their beloved yellow Labrador retriever Lancelot, who died of cancer. The clone did not come cheap. They spent $155,000 for the opportunity to create Lancelot. The report shows us that people will have to spend a large amount of money on cloning. Even spend $1,000 on cloning experiment, the success rate is still only 4% or less. Some people are still in poverty, but the government is still wasting money on cloning. What could be spent on welfare system? Overall, government should spend money on poor people instead of animal cloning. Cloning is inhuman sacrifice of unwanted animals. Cloning is life-threatening experiment. Judge Johnson, author of Human Cloning is Right or Wrong, states that the UN decision on human cloning asks countries to adopt all measures necessary to prohibit all forms of cloning as much as they are incompatible with the protection of life. Nowadays, people have realized cloning is risky than it's beneficial. Looking back to the experience of Dolly the sheep, the scientists failed 100 times on cloning Dolly. That's proved a success. clone need to test through trial and error. Gina Hansen, author of In Cloning, Failure Far Exceeds Success, stated that researchers who have occasional success cloning on species like coral are meeting failure with others like dogs. Because of low possibility of success, too many unfair deaths to animals. There are many unwanted animals are sacrificed for cloning every year. In a word, scientists cannot create a successful clone without too much sacrifice, so they should stop cloning. Today's scientific is a very serious issue. Cloning may reduce genetic variability and require much money, so governments should stop cloning. Thank you.